This project, if you notice in the slides, it tells you to start with to delete a slide. So that's where we're going to start. And we want to click the slide 3 thumbnail in the slides tab to select this slide. And then we want to press and hold Control and then click the thumbnail for slide 4. So Control. So that's how you select multiple slides. And then we're going to right click and we're going to delete slide right here. Okay. Click the slide 4 thumbnail in the slides tab to select this slide. And then press and hold Shift and scroll down and click the thumbnail for slide 9, and that's going to select slides 4 through 9. You're going to right click on any of those slides and we're going to delete slide. So now we have 3 slides for the presentation. Now we're going to select the View tab, and under Presentation Views we're going to select Normal, and then drag the splitter bar to the left until the slide thumbnails are the desired size or they are completely hidden. So here's that splitter bar. You can drag it to where they're completely hidden if you want to. Then we're going to display the View tab and the Presentation View. And we're going to point to the splitter bar let's see. Okay, and then you can see you can make it back to the way it is. So that's how you move the splitters in the window here. Alright, now we're going to create a title slide. So we're going to click on slide 1. And then we're going to select the text in the title text placeholder. And we're going to type Conserve Energy at Home. And then we're going to increase the font size of the text to 80 point. So I didn't mean to do that. Let me fix it. So we want it to be 80. And then we're going to click the subtitle text placeholder. We're going to select the text in the placeholder. If you mess up and accidentally move something, just press the undo button. So here we're going to put save money and increase comfort. And then it wants us to increase the font size of the subtitle to 28 point and bold this text. And then it wants us to change the font color to green. So if you go to your font colors, it's going to be the 6th color in the standard rows. And you can see, you can click on the image to see that. oh, here's this down here. Make sure you go down here and select it. So that would be this one. And let's make sure all of it is 80. Is green. And let's make sure that's changed to 28. And all of it is bold. Now we're going to align a paragraph. So it says place the insertion point anywhere in the slide 1 title text. And then we're going to go to the Home tab and to the paragraph group. And we're going to click the Align Right button to make sure that this is right aligned. And let me go back. So that's left aligned. We need to change it to right. Now we're going to create the first text slide. So click on slide 2 and then select the text in the title text placeholder, and you're going to type energy efficient and then you're going to, let's make sure that we're typing this, so no space in between energy and efficient. Then we're going to, after you have done the title, select the text in the first bulleted paragraph and then type energy. Energy, and we want that to be all caps. And once you've entered that, you're going to press enter, and then you're going to click the increase list level button to indent. And I press tab there to do that. Alright, and then you're going to do the next bullet, WaterSense certified shower heads. So this should be your first level paragraph. And then you're going to press enter and you're going to tab and you're going to type this in as the second level paragraph. Alright, and then in the next bulleted paragraph, you're going to type hot water pipe insulation. Then you're going to press enter and you're going to tab to indent, and then you're going to type this. So I'm going to pause it while you type that. Alright, and you can look at this and compare to make sure that yours looks like the example. And if it does, we'll continue to move on to the next. Alright, next we're going to insert a symbol. So you're going to place the insertion point directly after the letter R in the word star. And you're going to go to insert and you're going to go to symbols, which is usually towards the end. and you're going to click the symbol button to display the symbol dialog box. And then you're going to drag the dialog box to the lower right edge so that the bullets of the first few words okay, so if the symbol is not the font displayed in the font box, click the font arrow symbol dialog box. Okay, and we want it to be symbol. So find that, and that may have already, I may have already had that selected, but since I changed it, I need to change it back. So make sure that symbol is selected, and then it says drag or scroll down until the last arrow. Okay. And we want to find the trademark symbol. It's symbol 220, I think. But let's click on, it'll let us. Okay, so let's see if this is it. I believe it's the second R, and we're going to click insert, and it should be up. It's in the wrong place. I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to paste it right after the R. I'm just going to put it back in there real quick. And it's a good way for y'all to refresh what to do. So symbol, and then it was the recently used one. And then it should be there right after the R. And then you can close that symbol dialog box.